I'm recording anyways, guys, for Michaela. Here we go. So now that we know what each of these variables stands for, okay, we're going to plug them in up here. So let's start with the first three terms.
Oh my gosh.
Okay?
Don't want.
All right, and it's going to look like this. Here we go. You're going to plug in right up there 40C0, a to the n. Remember, a is 3x, so we're just going to do 3x to the 40th. Okay? Then we're going to say, okay, the next term is 40C. Yes, it is a 0. Yep. 1. Then I'm going to do a, which is 3x. And it says to the n minus 1. So 40 minus 1, that's going to be 39. And then we just put in the second term, which is 2y. Okay? That's the second term. All right. Okay, Sam, what am I going to do on the next one? How do I start this? Yep. 40 C2. Then what do I put in parentheses? What do I have first every time? Okay. And what power does it need to go to now? Yep. Okay. And what's my second parenthesis? Yep. And now what's happening? There was no 2y. Now there's one 2y. So how many do I need? 2. And we're doing fine because 38 plus 2 equals 40. And that's important. This is the first three terms. Now, I would never expect you to actually figure out 3 to the 40th. I just want to make sure that this is figured out. So don't forget.
Let's go simplify.
You do not have to simplify the
I tried
to the 40th. What I just want you to be able to do is do that C stuff. Go to your calculators.
I tried so hard.
Oh my gosh.
Okay? Where is it in? Math? It's over in probability. And it's number 3 down there. Okay? Again, my calculator looks a little different. But when you do it, you should still get 1 for an answer.
Wait, how do I do this again?
Okay, the way that you guys need to do it is you need to type in 40 first, then you need to go to math and go to probability. Then you need to type in your 0.
CNCR?
Yes, yep, yours, on your calculators, it will look like this.
0. And I've done this in
Should equal 1. Okay, that's what you should get.
Yeah, I don't know.
You got that? All right, great. Okay, so this equals 1. Okay, what does 40C1 equal? 40C1, guys, what does that equal?
Equals 40.
Okay,
I think. I did this prior.
it equals 40. And what does 40, now don't tell us, Michael, I want somebody else to figure it out. Could someone figure out what does 40C2 equal?
780.
Yeah, Josh.
What'd you get?
780.
780. So we have 780,
Josh, you hear that face they did?
3x to the 38th, and 2y squared. And again, guys, you don't need to simplify, when you have such large numbers, you don't have to simplify this stuff right here. That's okay. All right? That's no big deal. Okay. Last two terms. Okay? This is the first three. Now let's do the last two terms. Okay? The last two terms, again, just plug the numbers in here. All right? So the first one. On the last two terms, how am I going? This is what we're looking for right here. This is the last two. How am I going to write my C? What should I write? 40C39. And then I need to put down A, which is 3x, and then B, which is 2y to the 39th. Okay, plus. And then it's going to be what? 40C 40. Okay? And there's no, this term's gone. See? It's just b to the n. So it's just 2y to the 40th. Okay. Now, remember, Pascal's triangles are very symmetric. Even if I was down to the 40th row, if I went all the way down to the 40th row, I mean, look at this one. I'm down to the 20th row, and look at the second to the last term has a coefficient of 20. See, they match up, and the last one is 1. So technically, you don't actually have to do this on your calculator. It's going to come up to be 40. And then you're just going to write 3x and 2y to the 39th plus, this is 1, so it's just 2y to the 40th. Okay? All right, any questions on that? That was okay? Yes, that's it. That's all you need to do. Okay? Yep, move it up a little bit, sure. This guy, the Pascal's guy? There we go. Uh-huh. Okay. Now, let's see. Did I have you do 4A or B?
All A's.
For all the A's. Okay.
5A.
All right. Let's check out 4A then. I just want to make sure everybody has it written down first. Okay, well, we'll check it out. Okay, we good? You still doing the last part? Okay, I'm just going to put it up here. 4A. Can I cover it up, or you still have it, Rachel? Just the last line? Okay. Oh, no, I can't see 4A. All right. Okay, 4A says, find the indicated terms, just notation, do not simplify, such as, they want us to find the 20th term of this. All right. So let's do this. I'm going to do it on this piece of, I guess I could do it over here, but sure, let's just do it right on this paper here. All right, the 20th term. So that means I'm 20 terms in. Remember, I don't know if you remember it from the homework, but NCR. This is the row, okay? The R is the term minus 1. Okay? So my C in front of this is 77 C 19.
I got the wrong.
Yep, because it's the 20th term, and so you want to take one away. That might be something you want to write in your notes somewhere so you don't forget that. Yep.
You're running the notes, but I think I just said the wrong.
Then, okay, then you guys, that means the x is to what power? Well, let's do the y one first, because I don't know if you remember this, but the y power and this number always match up. Yes. So then how do you get the x one? Well, what did I say about these two numbers here? What do they have to add up to?
77.
They have to add up to 77. So what is 19 minus 77?
68.
58. All right, did everybody see how we got that?
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see. What if we did, okay, this number right here, Josh, 19, is always the power on the second term. Okay, whatever that is. Now, these two numbers here have to add up to that number. So I just said 19 minus 77 and I got 58. All right, let's do this one right here. Did we even do B in our homework?
No.
All right, okay, let's do B then. Here we go, 16th term. No, that's it. We just leave it just like that.
Is that what it means?
Oh, you could do, all right, we could figure out what 7719 is. Sure, what is
It's
this?
a very high number.
Is it?
5 point blah 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 E17.
Oh, yeah, it's E17. It's too big. Just leave it like that then.
Wait, so that's, if we did that on the test, that
This would be perfectly fine, yes.
But
This is your answer.
But only if you tell us to leave it as notation.
If I say just notation, that means leave it like this. If I say simplify, that means you have to give me an answer.
Great.
Okay, perfect.
Give us a problem with that.
How
You told
would
us
you
to
give you,
simplify.
how would
I
you give you
do
an
it.
answer?
You would actually do 77C19 on your calculator in that math thing. Okay? All right, 16th term of this. What row number am I at?
17.
No,
15.
90 row. This is my row number, remember?
Oh,
So that's my N. So it goes 90C, and then it's one less than this. What'd you say, Leo, for this one then? 15, yep. And it's 15. Okay? Now, it's 5x to some power, and it's a negative 3y to some power.
why to the 15?
That's right. This one is to the 15th. So what is this one to?
75.
75. Okay? All right, we're going to do number 5,
Okay.
and then we're going to take a quick break, and then you guys are going to come back and do some more. Okay? Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. All right, here we go. Find the term. In the expansion, x minus 2y to the 15th, find the term containing x to the 10th. All right, well, let's see here. Okay. It's going to have to be this.
Oh my.
It'd be the fifth term in.
Hang on. All right. The x has a 10. If the x has a 10, then what does the negative 2y have? A 5. Why do we know it has to have a 5?
Add up.
They have to add up to 15. Great. Now, the 5 always goes where? Right there. 15 goes there.
Wow.
Everybody see that?
Is that it?
That's it. I mean, you could probably figure out. 10, 15, 5 is what? Oh, 15, I'm sorry. 15, 5, 3003. That's kind of a cool number. Okay? X to the 10th. And then what's negative 2 to the 5th? Nope, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2.
32.
Yep. 32. So it would be a negative 32. And we could actually then multiply 3003 times 32, and we would get a negative 96096. Again, a super cool number. There you go. Okay? All right, we're going to take a quick break. You want me to do this one?
Yeah.
No.
Can you just do the other one real quick?
Sure, yeah. I mean, we don't need to have. All right, erase this for now. We're going to do it real quick. Okay? All right. We need to expand this, and we want a to the 15th. Shh, please. All right. Okay, so we're going to need a c. Now we're doing b, guys. There we go. Okay, we need a c with, what's the number that goes here in the c?
20.
20. Okay, I don't know this number yet. I know that A, when I'm done, has to have a 15. So what number goes up here? 5. Why do you think Michael said 5?
Because if there's an exponent outside of the parentheses and there's an exponent inside the parentheses, you multiply.
You multiply them. And so I need to think of the number that I got to multiply that 3 by to get the 15. So this is 5. And if this is 5, then that means that 2 is to the 15th, and that's a 15. And I guess we could figure that out. That's not too bad. Okay? I could go up here and do 20, 15, and yep, 15,504. A to the 15th, because 3 times 5. Now, what's 2 to the 15th?
Oh, 32,760.
Wow. Okay, so it's 32768, and then multiply those two numbers,
That's good.
and we got a very large number. $508,035,072. A to the 15. Very long. All right, let's take a quick break.
This is general knowledge right here. Micro street bill.